Welcome back, guys. This is part 3 of our quiz app. So in previous video we designed sign up page. So now in this video we will be making our sign in page. If our user already exists, then he will sign in, and if user doesn't exist in our database, then he will sign up. So let's start making it. So this is where we left in our last video. We created our sign up page. So now in this, now go to your package, create a new, go to activity and create a new MTV activity and name it as sign in and click on finish. Wait for some time till it gets synced and close the tabs which we will not use, like we will not use this splash screen. Now go to your sign in XML and split the view. Instead of in constraint layout, we will work with relative layout. So remove this and write here relative layout and space, and in below also in closing tag write here relative layout. Now as the UI of sign up and sign in will be same, so we will copy the code. Firstly give it a padding of 3dp and give it a background color, give it black color and change it from custom and give it a blue color. Now copy the sign up page from linear layout to closing linear layout, this one, copy this and paste it here. Now our page is done, but we don't want some options like phone number. Click on phone number and remove this code for phone number, and also we don't want the username. Click on username and remove this also. And now we need to change the title of the page, that is sign up here to sign in here. Go to text view after the linear layout and write here sign in here, and as you can see we need the page in center. So in edit text for email, change this margin top to 70 dp, it looks good. And now also in sign in, give it a margin top from 20 dp to 40 dp, this is looking good. And in register button, here in place of register we have to write here sign in, and in place of already register we will have to write don't have account, here don't have account question mark, and in place of sign in write here sign up. So that's it, our UI work is done for sign in page. So now we need to declare and define those views in our sign in Java. So for this we will copy this from our sign up Java. So go to sign up Java and scroll up and copy this, copy and paste it in sign in Java here, and remove the username and user phone, and also from instead of register button we will use here sign in, and in text view we will write here sign up. So now go to sign up page and copy this, leave the username because we don't have username there. Now inside the on create paste this, remove the phone line, and instead of register write here sign in, and in sign in write here sign up, and also change the ID, instead of sign in write here sign up. And why it is giving error, let's check in XML. So we have not changed this ID, so now let's change the IDs in our XML for sign up. we have used sign in. Change this into up, and let me check ID of other views also. So here in place of button in register, write it here sign in, and here already mentioned. So now go to sign in Java. In place of register, write here sign in. It is giving error. So let's check again. Press Ctrl and click on sign in. You can see we have moved to sign up page, but we need to go to sign in page. So let's go to sign in Java and go to the XML part of sign in Java. This one here in place of sign in, here we have used capital S. So in place of use small s. So now the error is gone now. So when the user will click on sign up button or sign up text, we will move from sign in screen to sign up screen. So for this we will use a click listener. So below this declaration, write here sign up dot set on click listener new view on click listener. This will create an override function on click. Write here start activity new intent from sign in dot this to sign up dot class. And also we need same feature on our sign up screen when the user click on already register and click on sign in. So we will move to this page. So go to sign up Java, and after this sign in, write here sign in dot set on click listener new view on click listener. This will create function. Write here start activity new intent from sign up dot this to sign in dot class, and finish this. And also in sign in Java, after this start activity, write finish. So now our work is done. Cut this also. Then in our sign up, when the user will click on the register button, let me show you in XML. So when the user click on register, we will take all these input fields in our variable. So let's do the coding for this. So go to sign up Java, write here register dot set on click listener new view on click listener. So now here we need to create some variables to take those inputs. So write here string m username is equals to username dot get text dot to string, and close this. Write here again string m email is equals to user email dot get text dot to string dot trim, and close this. Write here string m phone is equals to user phone dot get text dot to string dot trim. Close this. Write here string m password is equals to password dot get text dot to string. Close this. Now we will perform some checks. So write here if text utils dot is empty and pass here m username. So then give a bracket, write here username dot set error, and write here inside in string please enter your name. And in next line write here if. Instead of writing, just copy this line and paste it 3 times. So now inside here, instead of m username, write here m email, and here write m password and here write mphone, and here instead of name write here please enter your email, enter your password, and enter your phone number. And now we also need to perform one more task, that is we will check if the password length is smaller than 8. So write here if m password dot length is smaller than 9, then give it a bracket. You can also write here 8, so give it a bracket, write here password dot set error, and write here password must be greater than 8 characters. So make change here also, make it 8. I write it 9, make it 8. So now after each check it must not return anything, so write return after every check. Go to first if statement and write return after this, and do it for all if statement. Write here return, here also return, in this return, and return. So after this we will show our progress bar when the user will click on register button. So write here below this progress bar, it is not showing ID because we have not yet initialized it here, but it is in our activity, you can see. So we will have to define and declare it. So firstly let declare it progress bar, close this, and let declare it progress bar is equals to find view by id r dot id dot progress bar, and close this. Now it will not give error. Write dot set visibility and write here visible, and close this. Now we need to do same thing in our sign in Java. So just copy these two statements, copy this and go to sign in. So firstly on click of sign in button, so write here sign in dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. Inside this we will create two variables. Write here string m email is equals to user email dot get text dot to string dot trim, and close this. Write here string m password is equals to password dot get text dot to string, close this. After taking this, paste the lines which we have copied. So instead of username, here we will use user email, and here also we will use password, and this is okay. So after the user click on the button, we will show a progress bar to him. So for this we will have to firstly declare and define the progress bar, close it, and firstly declare it also. Write here progress bar is equals to find view by id r dot id dot progress bar, close this. It is showing error. Let's check in layout, sign in XML, and here in progress bar our b is small, but here we wrote our b as capital, so remove this. Again it is showing an error. What's the problem? So yes, we forgot to write r dot id dot, so write here r dot id dot progress bar. Now the error is gone. Now let's perform its visibility work. Write here progress bar dot set visibility as visible. So our work is done. Now let's run the app. So let's run the app. So our app has run. So now let's enter my name. If you don't enter any name, click on register. You can see it will show an error, that is, please enter your name. So let's enter anything. Let's write G, and in place of email, if you don't write any email, but it is showing error in our name field only. So this is an error, we will resolve it. It must show this error in email field. So when we write phone number and again click on register, then also it will show error on email. So now we will resolve it later. So now when we click on this sign in text, we will move to our sign in page and write here email. If we don't write any email, it will show enter email, and if when we write email and click on sign in, but we need to enter our password. So when we enter our password, it will process, but we have not created the next page, so it will stuck in this page only. So now click on sign up. So we need to resolve the error of this page. So let's move to our Android Studio again. So now in this we have to correct some errors. Go to your sign up Java. Instead of this username here, because all the errors are coming in username, change this to user email and change this to password and change this to user phone. Now we can run our app again. This is password and this is okay. So let's rerun app. So this is our splash screen and our sign up page. So if I don't write any name, click on register, it will show error, please enter your name. If I write here Pawan Singh and click on register, it will show error now on email text box. So now I will have to enter an email. So let's write abc@gmail.com and click on next. It must show error on phone number, but it is showing error on password. So let's enter the password first. We will correct this. It must show error on phone number first, then it will show error on password, because we have written it in series. So let's write the password, click on register. Now it is showing error on phone number. So let's register, and now it will show error for the password of length smaller than 8. So now let's correct this. So let's cut this from mphone, cut this and paste it. Firstly cut this also, cut this bracket also, and now paste it above password, because firstly it will check for phone number, then it will check for password. So now when we will run the app, it will perform well. So now you can check it by running it your own self. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video.